Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone XR that I bought online from Straight Talk. So yeah, let's get into this review. Okay, so first I'm just going to peel off this plastic wrap, and yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the box it comes in, and also there's also like a SIM activation information here, but I'm already a member or a customer of Straight Talk, so I don't need this. I'm just going to take out my old SIM from my old phone and then put it in this new phone. That's all. So I don't need this. I'm just going to put this by the side. But yeah, this is the phone, so I'm just going to open this, and voila, I got the red one. So this is what it looks like on the back, and let me just take this out, and this is the phone. Okay, this is it right here. This is the front and this is the back. It comes in different colors, but I decided to buy red because yeah, it looks good. Wow, I love it. I love it so much. I really like this phone. At first I was a bit skeptical about buying online from Straight Talk because I've never like done it before, because the one I used, the old phone I used to use, I bought it at a Walmart, but I just decided to buy this, and yeah, this is what the phone looks like. Also in the box there's a charging an adapter, like call it. This is for you to charge your phone, and there's also, what is this? I think this is like some information about, yeah, this is just like information about the phone. And this is also like, you know, this little I don't know if you guys can see, but this little pin they give you here to like open the SIM slot and put your SIM card. It also comes in it, right? I don't know if you can see, but it's like right here, yeah, this. And yeah, I think that's about it. The case, the phone pack, the phone, the back, and the charging port. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to put my SIM in this phone and show you guys how I do it. So yeah, I will be right back. Hey guys, welcome back to the review. So I noticed that in the last clip the light I used was a little bright, and I'm not sure if you're able to see some of the things well, but I'm going to show you again. So this was the phone case, the pack, and then the pin I was talking about that you can use to insert your SIM card. This is it. I think you can see it better now. This is it right here. So you use it to like open the slim slot so you can put in your SIM card. And then it also came with this paper with some information, but I said I'm already a member, so I already know what to do. Yeah, so I went ahead and I set up my new iPhone. I transferred my data from my old phone to my new phone, and it was pretty fast. I think it took like 10 minutes in total, and everything is here in my new phone. You see, even my picture, like, I'm surprised, like they even let me show you. They were even able to like get the picture of my old wallpaper from my old phone. So yeah, that's good. If I sign in, wait, hold on, swipe up to unlock. Yeah, and also this phone has Face ID. That's one good thing. It has Face ID compared to like other iPhones that don't have Face ID. And this is what the back camera looks like. I'm still going to take a picture with this phone so you can see the camera quality and all. But anyways, it has Face ID, which is really good. And all my apps are here, as you can see. And some of them are still downloading, so that's why they are dark. But yeah, iPhone did well in regards to like this part of it. So now, yeah, I need to put in my SIM card. So you can see I already opened the SIM slot here, so it's empty right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my SIM card. Yeah, okay, can you see what I'm doing? Let me push this back. Okay, so this is the damn it, sometimes these things are hard to get. Okay, this is the slim slot in the new phone, and then this right here is my SIM card. So I'm going to put this, let me find a way to, how do I, okay, I think it's like this. I'm going to, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm going to do it like this. Wait, I'm trying, yeah, perfect. This is what I did right here. As you can see, I just put the SIM card into the slot like this, and then I'll carefully, because you don't want to lose it, carefully insert this in my new phone. So this is the opening right here. This is what you guys should do when you're like trying to change your phone and stuff. I'm just going to put this in here like this. I hope you guys can see. Put it in here like that, you see, and then just tap, and yeah, it's in. My new SIM, my old SIM is now in my new phone. So I'm going to Face ID first of all. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can set this up. My new SIM inside this phone. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so after I put my SIM into this phone, all I did was just wait for like a few minutes and then it became active, and that was all. So basically, if you want to like if you're like a member of Straight Talk and you want to still use the same SIM you're using your old phone, your new phone, all you have to do is put the old SIM into your new phone, wait for a few minutes, and everything will be like automatically set up. So for example, let me show you this, my new phone. Face ID, swipe up, what's going on? Okay, yeah, I was doing Face ID. Anyways, so you can see like all my messages are here, everything is still here. Even my calls, everything, my contacts, my calls, everything is here in this phone. So like that's like pretty easy. At least that part wasn't hard. So I'm going to go ahead and call my mom. I already called her, I'm just gonna call her again for this video, just to see if it's working. I'm going to go ahead and call my mom because I have an active plan already, just to be sure that everything is set up. And yeah, obviously she's in the house, so she's going to pick. Hello? Yeah. Okay, thank you. So yeah, you see, it's working now. I can call, I can text, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, last time we're going to do is to take a picture with this phone to show you what the camera looks like, the quality. Hopefully it's good. Okay, let me just stay here like this. What angle? Oh, I like this. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture. And now let me take one with the back camera. I can't really I'll try and take one with the back camera, so even though it's very hard. Did you take? Okay, let me try again. Awesome, so I'm going to include those pictures at the end of this video. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you want to buy this phone, I highly recommend it. Like, you definitely love it. I got mine in red, as you can see, and this phone is $350. Shipping is free, and it came in like 2 days, or less than 2 days actually. So yeah, this is very good. Thank you Straight Talk, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.